Okay, so I've been having problems with Davinci Resolve crashing on me every time I go into a project. I figured out the source of the problem is that it's the newest graphics driver. So 24.6.1 is the source of your problems. So I uninstalled that and I installed an older version, which is 24.4.1. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. To do this fix, what you're going to want to do is install something called Display Drive Uninstaller. What it does is that it will uninstall the current driver version of your graphics card. And what you're going to do is click on one of these download mirrors. Obviously, if you're in the EU, you click on the EU one. The US, click on the US one. I'll click on the US one since I'm in the US. And save it to whatever location you want. I will download it to my downloads file. And now if you go to your file explorer, over here, if you click on that and then go to your file explorer, go to where you installed DDU. And then what you're going to do is, since this is in a zip format, you're going to want to unzip the file. And I have BreZip, but of course you could use something like 7-zip. And if you don't know what 7-zip is, it's another file extractor. And to install it, I'll include the links of both of these tools in the description. But to install 7-zip, just click on this download link and then do the same thing where you just choose a location, save it, and then go to that location in your file explorer, and then just click on the installer and follow the install instructions, and it will install 7-zip for you. Now, once you have something like 7-zip installed, what you're going to do is, if you're in Windows 11, go to Show More Options, 7-zip, extract files, and then you are going to want to just click OK. It should be in the exact same folder that your file that you've chosen is in. So then once you click OK, it should extract the file that you need. So actually no, you gotta extract one more time, it seems like, because you're going to have to extract that over here. So just double click it and then click extract, and now you'll have the actual folder with the actual display drive uninstaller. You're going to need this for later, because what you're going to do now is you are going to go to your search bar and type in advanced, oops, sorry, typo, advanced, and then click on change advanced startup options. And then at advanced startup, click restart now. And what this is going to do is that it's going to restart your computer and take you to a startup, take you to a page where it says choose an option, and it'll give you 3 choices. What you're going to choose is troubleshoot. And then after that, it's going to take you to another page, which gives you 6 options. And what the option that you're going to click on is startup settings. And then after that, it's going to show you another page, which lists 9 startup options. What you're going to choose is number 4. So you're going to press 4 on your keyboard. So it'll restart your computer in safe mode. And what you're going to do is that you're going to disconnect your internet. So if you have a laptop or use a Wi-Fi card or something, disconnect from the internet. Or if you use a physical wire like an Ethernet, then just unplug your Ethernet and then leave it unplugged for this process. So what you're going to do now is navigate to where you've installed, where you've extracted DDU, and you're going to open the application now. Click yes. It might be the first time you've launched DDU. Just click OK, and the general options should suffice. You're just uninstalling your graphics card driver, so you don't really need to focus on all of these things. So just click close. And if you're not in safe mode, it will show up another pop-up message saying that you're not in safe mode, but since you are in safe mode, you should be fine. Now up here, select a device type. You're uninstalling your graphics driver, so GPU. You could just choose whichever brand that graphics card that you're using. Next, click Clean and Restart. The first option, highly recommended. The application should do its own thing, and after it's done, it will restart your computer by itself, and it'll start it back in a normal operating mode. And then what you're going to do is reconnect your internet, go to your graphics card's brand's webpage. I have an AMD graphics card, so type in AMD graphics driver and go to their page. And what you're going to do is search up your graphics card's model, and I am an RX 5600 XT. So it'll show you a list of driver options, and for AMD at least, you need to click on previous drivers to get to the older versions. And it just lists out a bunch of older graphics card drivers that you can download. And of course, the one that I installed was just this earlier one, 24.4.1, and click download, download it as you normally would, and it should fix your problems. If the solution worked, please leave a like for the algorithm and maybe a comment letting me know that you succeeded. I'm not very technical savvy, so if this solution doesn't work for you, I'm sorry, but I don't think I could really help you. I just wanted to put the solution out there in case it does work for someone else. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.